Welcome to our complete guide on how to build an emergency fund. Financial emergencies can happen to anyone, and having a well-funded emergency savings account can ease the stress of an unexpected expense. In this video, we will guide you through the process of building an emergency fund that can help you navigate through tough financial times. The first step in building an emergency fund is to determine your savings goal. A good rule of thumb is to save 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This amount should be based on your personal financial situation, monthly expenses, and potential emergencies that may arise. Once you have determined your savings goal, it's time to create a plan. Decide on a specific amount you want to save each month and either create a new savings account or designate an existing one as your emergency fund. Make sure to automate your savings and consistently contribute to your fund each month. To maximize your savings potential, it's important to minimize unnecessary expenses. Take a look at your budget and identify areas where you can cut back on expenses, such as eating out or subscription services. Any amount you save can be redirected towards your emergency fund. Another way to build your emergency fund is to earn extra income. Consider taking on a side gig or selling items you no longer need. Any additional income can be directed towards your emergency fund and help you reach your savings goal faster. Finally, it's important to keep your emergency fund accessible. Choose a savings account that allows for quick access to your cash in case of an emergency. While it's tempting to invest your funds in higher-yielding accounts, keep in mind that you may need to access your emergency savings quickly.